Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Kokomo, Indiana. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Offering free Wi-Fi and a flat-screen TV with HBO film channels in every guest room, this motel is 1 mile from Indiana University Kokomo. Laundry facilities is available on site. Each air-conditioned room at Motel 6-Kokomo features free local calls. All rooms are pet-friendly. Vending machines with both snacks and drinks are available on site at Kokomo Motel 6. A 24-hour front desk. Adjacent to the Chrysler Transmission Plant, this hotel is less than 1 mile from the American Legion Golf Course. Grissom Air Museum is 23 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.